In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a split cash payment during appointment checkout. First, start on your main dashboard and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the calendar option in the sidebar. Click on calendar to open your schedule. This view helps you see all upcoming bookings in one place, which makes it easy to pick the right client and time slot without digging through multiple pages. Next, choose the appointment you want to process. If your calendar shows multiple services or staff, make sure you're selecting the correct day and time. Now click directly on the appointment to open its details. This will bring up the client's booking information and the actions you can take for that session. From here, locate and click on Checkout. This moves you into the payment flow, where you can review the service total, any add-ons, taxes, and discounts. Take a moment to confirm everything looks accurate before moving forward. When you're ready, click on Continue to Payment to go to the tender options. Because we're splitting the payment, select Split Payment. This feature is designed for scenarios where the client wants to pay with more than one method or pay part now and the rest later. Once you're in the Split Payment view, choose Cash as the tender type. This tells the system that part of the total will be covered by cash. Now enter the cash amount the client is handing over. Double check the number before you proceed. It should match the physical cash you receive. When you're confident it's correct, click on Add. You'll see the system apply that portion to the total and automatically recalculate the remaining balance. After the cash portion has been added, click on Save Part Paid. This is an important step because it records the partial payment securely and keeps the appointment's balance open for the rest to be settled. It also ensures your reports reflect the portion collected today. Finally, click on Continue. This will move you forward in the flow, keeping the remaining balance ready to complete later or with another tender method when you're ready. If you need to review anything, you can return to the appointment later, knowing the partial cash payment is safely saved. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always verify the service total before you start the payment, confirm the cash amount with the client, and avoid navigating away